Son of a gun. I ran out of freaking trimmer line and I was halfway through my lawn. I'm trying to get things done. I got things to do tonight. Hey guys, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. Today, we're gonna show you how to rewind the Stihl AutoCut C26-2. Okay, this is a little different head. It's been out for a few years. Right now, I believe it is on the FS 56R as well as the FSA 135. This is a head that is designed that you do not need to take it apart to reload it. But is that always the truth? So let's dig into this a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how to wind it. This runs 095 trimmer line. I'm going to rewind it with an 080, but really it's because it's a visual thing. So let's get into this trimmer head just a minute. So to open it up, let me get close. We need to push in this gray or white, whatever color you want to call this, gray or white little tab on this side, as well as 180 degrees tab on this side. So if I push that in, rotate it, push this side in, this cap comes off. Let's set that aside. All right. And then I can take out the spool. So here's the spool in my hand. Let me put this back here, leaning against the fence. So right now, actually, I was not weed eating, and actually this did not run out of trimmer line. Just trying to make it fun for you guys. So let's get rid of the trimmer line that's in here. Maybe it broke off. So the reason I'm opening it up is maybe you were weed eating and you hit some hog paneling, right? And you snap the line off. This is pretty important. So pop it open, pull out the trimmer line that was in there. Bam. It is now empty. No trimmer line. Let's put it back together. To put it back together, I'm simply going to put the spool in place. It'll pop down in like 2 positions. So right there. It'll pop in, and then let's pop on this lid that I took off. Okay? So it's now in place. Guess what? Rookie mistake. Look what's on the ground right here, the spring. Hey, this is good. I'm helping you out. Let's pull it back apart and let's put the spring in. All right, so here's the spring. That spring is gonna fit right there. The spring now goes in, and now when I put this in, I actually have some action, some spring back action per se. Let's put this cap on, get this head together like so, and then let's show you how to wind it up. So again, this head right now is on the FS 56 as well as the FSA 135. So we can see I now have spring action. So here's the trick. First things first, we need to line up this line that goes all the way across. I'm gonna get close. This line goes all the way across. I need to line that up with the eyelets. So here is the eyelet where the string comes out of. See that right there? And that line lines up with it. Okay? So what that means is there's a tunnel that goes all the way through this head right now. So traditionally, this head can hold 26 feet of trimmer line. I never want to stuff this thing to the gills, so usually my trick or my rule of thumb is 3 arm lengths. I'm 5'11", okay, so roughly what is that? 16 feet, 18 feet, somewhere in there. It'd actually be like 17 feet and 9 inches if you're doing math. So let's grab some trimmer line. And right now I have 080 and I've created a mess because I cut this ahead of time. So it's not coming off of the spool as easy as it should. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, looks like I grabbed a little bit much. We'll see how this works out. Again, this is 0.080, so I will fit more in. So I want to take one end right there, that end. I'm going to come up to my trimmer head, and I'm going to actually insert it, get nice and close, insert it into the eyelet, and it will continue to push through, ta-da, out the other side. See it? Both sides. So now what I usually do is actually walk away from the trimmer, and I hold the trimmer line like so, and I bring the ends together. So now I know I got pretty even out both sides. Got it? So under normal circumstances, I should have about roughly 9 feet out both sides. Now here's what we do. Take my left hand, and with my right hand, I push in and I twist. I'm using my fingers, putting it in those tabs, pushing, twisting. And I'm not just twisting with my right hand, that's slow. I'm gonna use my left and my right and work in tandem and suck in the trimmer line. You'll maybe notice it's getting shorter. It's getting shorter. It's sucking it all in, just like that. And again, this head will hold up to 26 feet, but like I said, generally speaking, I go 3 arm lengths because it seems if you get it too full, it'll actually be a pain in the butt. So, a couple more twists, bam, we're in. Okay, I'm not quite even, so I might take my clipper, snip this off so I don't have to hear it hit the cutter knife on the guard. But then simply, when I want to feed this, like all the Stihl bump feed AutoCut heads, tap it while it's spinning, and it will set out a chunk of trimmer line, an extra, say, inch or so. So there you go, the Stihl AutoCut C 26-2, a fairly new head. You're starting to see this show up on the FS 56, the FSA 135. I've had a few commercial guys pick this up to run on their machines. They love it. You know, it's pretty easy to train their guys how to load it. It has very good feed characteristics. It doesn't bind up. It holds a lot of trimmer line. And it's a Stihl product, so parts are actually readily available. You're gonna wear it out, right? You're running on the ground. So there you go, guys. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.